If you find yourself banned from OneDrive, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban notice. Carefully read the email or notification you received regarding the ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or documentation that supports your case. This may include screenshots, account activity logs, or correspondence with OneDrive support. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain why you believe the ban is unjust, referencing any evidence you gathered. Be respectful and professional in your tone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to the appropriate OneDrive support email or through the designated appeal form on their website. Ensure that you've included all necessary information and evidence. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Be polite and inquire about the status of your case. In conclusion, appealing a ban on OneDrive requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal.